Hello everybody, welcome back and happy Lunar New Year. Today we are making tiger cupcakes 2 ways, so let's get started. So obviously we are starting with the cupcake batter. We are going to beat the butter and sugar with an electric mixer until it is pale and smooth. Paddington. Okay. Then we're gonna add some vanilla extract and eggs one at a time, mixing with each addition. In a separate bowl, combine the flour, baking soda, and salt. And add this to the batter in 2 additions, alternating with the sour cream. Seeing Paddington's little face? The little face! The little face! Oh my god! Okay. I know, treacle, I know. It was too much. Then we're going to add the zest of 1 whole orange and mix until just combined. And while they're baking and then while they're cooling on your counter, you can smell the orange zest, like it's that strong, it's so nice. And this tool, I think it's called like a microplane, it's so good. It is so good. Get it. It will like literally change your life. I'm not even kidding. It's so like, it's so sharp. It's so much sharper than like a cheese grater if like that's what you use to zest your fruit. And then I got the batter and I took about 1/3 of the batter and I dyed it black and then dyed the rest orange. And then we're going to alternate spoonfuls of the orange batter and black batter into the cupcake pan, and doing that is going to create the really cool stripes. It's literally this easy. Like, it's not some like fancy technique that like only professional bakers can do. Like, if you have 2 spoons, you can do it.
They didn't find anything of evidentiary value. Much to Key's and Kristen's chagrin, news crews...
And then we're gonna bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. And then to make the buttercream, it is my classic vanilla buttercream that I make in like every single video. So we are just whipping up some butter and adding some vanilla extract and some pure orange extract. Make sure it's pure. I don't like using artificial extracts because once you've tasted the real kind, you guys like, oh my god, you'll never be able to go back. It's so much better when it's like the pure extract. And then we're gonna add some confectioner sugar or icing sugar. Which term do you prefer? I'm always like, I wanna be professional, so I use like confectioner sugar, but like in my daily life, I say icing sugar. So like this is this video's dilemma. Which one do you use? We're gonna dollop a little bit into 2 bowls, leave 1 bowl white and dye 1 bowl black. And fun tip, if you have a hand mixer, just take off one of the little whisks and it works with one of them, or at least like mine does. I'll link mine below. Use a bigger bowl than what I did. But it's really handy if you're mixing multiple colors and like you don't want to use a spoon. Paddington. Excuse me, stop licking sugar off the floor. Paddington. Excuse me. What is in your mouth? And then we're going to dye the rest of the buttercream orange. And so now is the fun part. We are going to make our 2 tigers. So this is like personality quiz. If you are someone who prefers more buttercream than cake, I know you are out there, this first tiger is for you. So you're gonna take an ice cream scoop, but you wanna use the ice cream scooper that has the little thumb hingy, oh, that's not a hinge, thing. So you're gonna scoop a full scoop of frosting. I know this is a ton, but it's cute, so like bear with me. So you just stick it on top of the cupcake and press down a little bit, and then do the little thumb mechanism a couple times and release, and oh my gosh, like, it looks like a scoop of ice cream. How cute is that? And then I used some more of that orange buttercream for the ears. And then for the eyes, we're using chocolate chips because like, how much easier is this? It's so cute and it's like the perfect circle. For the stripes, we're taking that black buttercream. And I know that these kind of look dead inside. There's something about if the eyes are just solid black, it's like it is staring into your soul and like it's gonna get you when you're sleeping at night. So that's why we need that white buttercream. We're gonna add a little like sparkle in its eye and it changes everything. Does it not? Like, does it not? Even like when I was decorating it, I was like, this is hideous. And even like the mouth, like look at how badly I messed up that mouth the first time. Like this is the ugliest tiger anyone has ever seen. Actually, no though, because this video was meant to have 3 tigers, and you're gonna like keep an eye out in the background for that 3rd tiger that did not make the cut. And also, oh my gosh, if you missed it, last year I made a Year of the Ox Swiss roll cake, and every slice was an ox. I'm so proud of it on Zach. I think it was really cute. So if you are still in like a Lunar New Year mood and you want to see what I did for 2021, it's right there for you. Go check it out. Or it's also a pinned comment. So now on to tiger 2. So this tiger is for you if you like fluffy things, if you like the frosting, but you don't want to just like bathe in it. This is the tiger for you. My descriptors are weird, I know. So we are going to take a star-shaped piping tip. This is like my favorite piping tip. And we're gonna pipe all over the surface of the cupcake, and this is going to make our tiger look fluffy. And then with that same piping tip, we're just gonna press like a little more aggressively, and it's gonna create 2 little dollops for the ears. And then we're gonna swap up the piping tip for a small medium size round one, and that will create the little cheeks. The cheeks are so cute. And then I use the same shape but slightly smaller size of a piping tip to create the black stripes. And apparently I can't create anything centered. Like, you'd think I could do that at this point. And then I did a little nose, because this nose, oh my gosh, it's so cute. And this tiger's eyes are dead as well. So, white buttercream comes in and saves the day, and it makes them look cute and happy instead of like about to steal your soul. So which tiger would you make and eat? And I will see you guys next Wednesday for a new video. We're doing 2 videos a week now. Back to that, I'm so excited. Bye.